In that situation that you are finding yourself today has an expiry date. Just very soon it will expire. Why are you crying when you have Jesus Christ? He cares for you every moment. Stop crying, stop weeping. He cares for you every moment. Why are you complaining when you have Jesus Christ? He cares for you every moment. Stop the complaining, stop crying. He cares for you every moment. He knows all about you, he has not forgotten you. Why should you worry? Why are you worried? Why are you crying? He cares for you every moment. Hallelujah. Why am I worried when I have Jesus Christ? He cares for me every moment. Why am I worried? Why am I crying? He cares for me every moment. If I worry too much on the things I cannot do for myself, the only thing it will result is for me to have heart attack or you have depression. Before you know it, you can pass on. You need to make yourself happy, for God knows your tomorrow. He is the master planner. Oh, God bless you, Daddy. God bless you, sir. God bless you. God bless you. Why am I worried when I have Jesus Christ? He cares for me every moment. Why am I worried? Why am I crying? He knows how to heal my sickness. There is nothing that will make me to lose my hope, for I know my hope in Jesus Christ. Oh, why? Oh, why? He cares for me every moment. Why am I worried when I have Jesus Christ? He cares for me every moment. Why am I worried? Why am I crying? He cares for me every moment. See, heavenly rest, I no go tire. Heavenly rest, I no go tire. Heavenly rest, I no go tire. By the grace of God, hallelujah. Heavenly rest, I no go tire. Heavenly rest, hey, I no go tire. Heavenly rest, I no go tire. By the grace of God. Yes, sir. I will not get tired. Whoa. Soft and narrow, it's not an easy road. Heavenly race, I no go tired. By the grace of God, the road is rough and narrow, it's not an easy road. Heavenly race, I no go tired. By the grace of God, heavenly rest, heavenly rest, I no go tire. Heavenly rest, I no go tire. Heavenly rest, I no go tire.